Hello everyone, Warlock Technologies created one module called Foodics connector. Foodics is a very popular POS system and this connector will provide you the facility to synchronize the data using bridge between Odoo and Foodics. Here I am in Foodics connector. Now click on the new button and authenticate your token which you got from the Foodics. Click on the authenticate button, and once you authenticate your instance, it will provide you multiple operations. Click on your instance and it will provide you multiple operations like import branch, payments method, category, products, orders and purchase order. Let's do a one by one operations. Import branch and execute the operations. Once your operation will execute, it will show you multiple branches in POS. Likewise, now let's do a second operation. Click on your instance and payments method. Execute the payments method operation and it will syncing all the payments method. Now let's do a third operation, which is product categories. Execute the operations and it will sync each and every product categories. You can see it in product categories. Now let's syncing the products from the Foodics. Execute the operations and it will get some time because they have a multiple products in their account, their instance, so it will get some time. Once your operation will be executed, it will show you the every products in products menu. Now before going to sync your orders from Foodics, we have to do a little configuration in POS. Go to the settings, select one branches and you have to mention every payments method over here. Select every product methods and save it. You have to do the same process for the second branch. Select every payments method and select it and save it. You have to do this configuration only once. When you set up this everything, you will good to go. Now let's sync the product orders from the Foodics. Mention your instance and operation is import orders. Here we provide a date so that you can sync product, so you can sync the orders so only date wise. Execute the orders and it will get some time to sync every orders from the mentioning date. Once your import orders operation will executed, it will show you each and every orders from in POS. Yes, you can see that every order will sync from the Foodics. Now last operation is purchase order. If your instance have a purchase order or have a rights, it will execute it in, and you can see the purchase order in a purchase module. Another thing I want to mention is that here we define a cron job will sync the every orders in a scheduled time, so that you have to do operation at once, and rest of the order will sync at the scheduled time. Thank you so much.